Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 14 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Before we get started, you'll need to grab either the SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box, or you can grab something like a paper clip, extend one of the ends, and it should work basically just as well as the tool. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device, right over here. So grabbing the tool, you wanna just kind of push it in. You'll see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. And on the tray, you will have space for 2 SIM cards, so one on each side, as you can see. Grabbing our card, I'm gonna clip in place. There we go. It should be laying flush on the tray and shouldn't be falling out from it if you flip it over. And with that in mind, just insert it back into your device, not like I just did. There we go. And as you just seen, the card is already working. It's telling me to insert SIM card pin. There we go. And that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.